So this is what we add. I'm going to delete whatever added here, so then we can see we can do some we can find the tangent line. So for this question, we're going to find the tangent lines. Okay, and then just to make it actually as it was before, so this is what we had before. Okay, and then this is where I'm going to call the starting point as P1 and the ending point as P2. And then we need to determine the value of x and y before we begin. Okay, this way we have P1 and Y1. What is Y1 and P1? So P1 and P2, if I may say that. Okay, remember this is where we have negative x, so I'm going to write it as negative x. So if you go up to this point, we have negative 1, so this is where we have negative 1 as negative x. And then the value of y, this is where we have it's actually negative y there, so this way we have negative 2. Okay, now what is the value of y here? It's actually 2, and then the value of x is actually 1. So what we got here is actually going to be P1, we got it as 1 and 2, and then P2 as it's actually the other way around, so not this one, so it should be negative 1 and negative 2 as P1, 1 and 2. Okay, and remember this is x, y, x, y, so this is 1, 1, this is 2, 2. So first we need to find the m for the slope, which is, this is the formula we're going to use, x2 negative x1. Okay, positive 2 equal 2 times x, it's going to be 2x, 2 times 1, it's going to be 2, because we just do this. Okay, and then here it will be y equal, so let me just go with y equal 2x negative 1, and then if you move this the other side, it will be positive 2. Okay, and the same goes for this. If you move to negative 2, if you move this to the other side, it's gonna be negative. So as you can see, these two will cancel out each other, so you will end up having y equal to 2x, and here y equal to 2x plus 1, and then as you can see, this is what you will get, and this is what you will get this side. So okay, I could see there's a mistake here, so it's actually going to be so 2 times 1, as you see inside here, 2 times 1, which give you 2, so this should be actually 2. Okay, and then we can see negative 1 plus 2, which will give you 0. So this is how you will get the answer here. And as you can see, it's actually similar. We got the same answer, so meaning you can either use this formula or this other formula. Okay, so this is how you find the slope of the tangent line. So this is the equation that we'll get, so meaning